Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Dibs AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, simply type in myorthoselect.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the website for Dibs AI. Just scroll down from this website and you will find the sign up button underneath Dibs AI. Go ahead and click on it and you will be taken to the registration page. Click on the next button and you will be taken to the introductory page. You can click on the plus button alongside the terms and conditions after checking all of the pricing and the various details of the program. After reading through everything, you can click on the next button to proceed. Now you will be allowed to enter your registration details. Just go ahead and type in your first and your last name followed by your email address and click on the next button. You will then be allowed to create a password for your account. Just go ahead and type in your desired password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Then go ahead and click on sign up and now you will be asked to verify your account. In order to do this, just log into your email account that you just used to sign up for Dibs AI and you will find an email from them. Just click on the verify button within the email and now your account will successfully be verified and you will be logged in to your account. You can now scroll through the next buttons and fill up the form containing your personal information and click on the save button. Then you will have to select a payment method for your account. After choosing a payment method and entering payment details, you can review your invoice and then proceed through finalizing your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Dibs AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.